Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me top to bottom for date night. So I've had my hair in these for about an hour. I would recommend honestly having it in longer, but I literally have, it's 9:30 and the movie is at 9:55. We're gonna go see a scary movie in the movie theater, which I'm so excited for. And I hate scary movies. I don't know why I'm doing this myself. Guys, we don't have a lot of time right now. Like, I'm not gonna lie. So what should we start off with? I guess our primer. This is a eyelash and eyebrow primer. I'm probably gonna be a little bit late for this movie, but I don't care. I'm wearing the cutest dress, you guys. Stay tuned for the outfit. I'm gonna do everything: earrings, jewelry, rings. We're starting off just with this, but this just helps like your eyelashes, you know, because you don't want mascara directly on there. Same thing, like if you have like nails on, you know, to put on primer is better, like nail primer. Yeah, so we're starting off with our mascara. This is probably not a good system. I don't have a mirror in front of me. I actually don't have a finder, guys. I use the back of my phone. So it's therapeutic for me because, you know, I'm not on my phone, just recording. Okay. Here we go. And I'm having a really bad breakout. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like one huge pimple. It's not the vibe. So you can see the difference. Do you see the difference? I don't know if you guys see the difference at all. But see the other side. My friend taught me that you just kind of let it go into the corners. There we go. I don't do my bottom lashes most of the time. I don't prefer it. Okay, next thing is we're just gonna be curling them. So we're getting the lashes out of the way. But yeah, we're gonna go see the scary movie. I don't know if you guys have been seeing the trailer for it. I don't remember what it's called. It's like that one where they're in under the water. It's like
Scary Pool.
It's called Scary Pool?
No, I'm just joking.
Okay, he's just joking.
It's called like night swimming or something.
It's called like, yeah, it's called like Night Swim or something. So it's gonna make me really scared to swim, obviously. Okay, lashes. I get scared of scary movies, guys. I get scared of scary movies. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm the type of person to be out here watching a scary movie. It's nighttime, so we don't really need anything for our face. We don't need like, we don't need sunscreen, I mean. I don't really wear, I'm not a concealer wearer, guys. I don't like concealer. I'm thinking I probably should put something on my face. Usually I would put my CeraVe, but I literally forgot to bring it. This is a retinoid cream. No, I probably shouldn't. This is like for sleep. I think we're gonna just raw dog the face, or should I just go quickly grab my CeraVe? What do you guys think? I should grab my CeraVe. Don't want to. Here it is. Should have brought it for the video. Okay, let's just put a dab on the skin. So I only usually put that much, just a tiny bit, and it's just like that CeraVe. I'll show you guys the tub after. Just like to pat it in. It feels so good. And it has hyaluronic acid. It's a very thick moisturizer, and it's good for dry skin. So I'll show you guys the tub. Hopefully it focuses for you. Okay. And we're gonna do a really simple like makeup face look. So it's not gonna be anything crazy for today. Next thing is the eyebrows. So I'm just going in with a little spoolie and a tiny bit of hair gel. You can see. And let's open that. Oh yeah, okay, before we go in with that, let's use our, because now we have a cream on our face, quickly do our high frequency. So this is just a device that stimulates blood flow to the face. So you guys can see it's like a little high frequency thing. And like you can see the high power. I don't know if you can see the little blue light coming from it. I just put it on low and I just kind of go across my face. It kills the bacteria underneath your skin as well. So you don't have to do it for long at all. Okay. Let's do our eyebrows now. We have our hair gel in our little spoolie. Gonna take just a tiny bit, nothing crazy at all, and just dab it into my eyebrows. Just dab it like so. And then brush it through. Let's put our little mirror so we can see what we're doing. So yeah, we have it just in our eyebrows, just a tiny bit of hair gel. And we're just gonna brush it through. There we go. Beautiful. And if you guys want a eyebrow plucking tutorial, as I always say in my Get Ready With Me's, I'm sorry if I'm becoming redundant, by the way, if you're a regular, but I can definitely show you guys how to pluck your eyebrows properly. Like, I'm the queen of it. If you have thick eyebrows like me, maybe you're Arab, Italian, Indian, just hairy, you know, in general, and you have really thick, coarse eyebrows, or even if you don't, like, you know, I can just show you my system. My system is fail-proof, promise you. Okay, this is a very simple look, very simple vibe, but that is going to be, it's going to be a natural makeup look because it is, this is the Stila highlighter. I'm also using the mirror because I'm using my phone. So we're just going to do a tiny bit on the nose, and then we're going to put some on the arches underneath the eyebrows. And then, okay. A little bit over here. Look at that glow. Telling you guys, beautiful. It's super pigmented right when you put it on. Like, that's what I love about it. Okay, I'm feeling really good about the makeup. Let's put this away. Everything away. That's basically our makeup portion done. Great. I think it's time to take our hair out. I don't think it's gonna be too curly, but I think it will just have settled the frizz. So it's a nice way to get a little bit of a wave and make it look just like a little bit more organized, you know, without having to put heat all the time. So we just carefully lift it off like that. Okay. And then just gonna let it fall how it wants to. I might fix it with a heat tool if sometimes it's like all over the place, but here, let me show you guys. My hair is really long, so it might need to stand up a little bit for you guys to see the full look. Okay, I can't really see it right now because I don't have my mirror, but we're gonna go with these little hoops. This is gonna be the hoops for today. Outfit of the day is gonna be this beautiful, I think it's so cute. Look at these sleeves, little sweater dress. So I'm gonna put it on right now with a white belt and show you guys, and some knee-high boots, some jewelry. It's gonna be adorable. Look at this, so cute. This is the front, this is the back. I'm obsessed. Let me show you the belt. So it's a little like cream colored belt that I got with it. And let's pop it on because it is a very loose dress. Get that out of the way. So there's more holes. That's a trick, guys. If you have a small waist, get the kid sizes. So this is like a kid's belt so that it doesn't annoy you when it doesn't fit. Because sometimes the women's sizes, like it's made as a hip belt and not like a waist belt. You know what I mean. Okay. And then I can just like, okay, I'll just tuck it in. A little excess. Okay, what do you guys think? Oh my gosh. Oh, let me just tuck this in better. I don't want the belt sticking out. So this is the dress, the hair. Now we have the outfit picked. I'm obsessed with the sleeves. That's like one of my favorite parts of this. Let's pop this little necklace on. It's gonna be kind of hard to do on my own, but I know I can do it. Did we get it? We did. I knew it. Okay, so this is like a little, you know, cute looking vibe. Look at these. Look at the sleeves. Oh my god, let me get my chair back so I can show you guys. I'm gonna wear some earrings with it. It's gonna be so cute. So the earrings, these are them. We're gonna be putting them in now. You guys, Layne, what time is it? Okay. Alrighty, now we just need our rings. I just have like a bunch in this little baggie, and I have more. I have so many. There we go. Let's maybe put this on the here. Yeah, there we go. So that's cute, really cute. And then maybe just a simple band, something simple. I want something on the pinky. I like to have a pinky ring. What do you guys think? This is the rings we are doing. These are our earrings, and then this is our necklace. Okay. Outfit, jewelry, makeup, hair, everything is done here, guys. We are already getting sweaty. We need to go. Let me show you the boots. Let's get some perfume on. I've been using the YSL Black Opium for the longest time. It is so reliable and it smells amazing. Oh my gosh. To die for. Just trying to pretend that I secretly didn't get some in my mouth. Okay, guys, let me show you the final outfit. I love it. I'm obsessed with this look, everything about it, and let's go to the movies. This is the vibe. Little movie date. Knee-high boots. Look at that dress. Oh my gosh. She's so cute. She's such a vibe. I'm obsessed, guys. Oh my gosh, let's go. This is the final outfit, the final look. We are definitely super, 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 super late. And there's a here, let's get that shadow gone. But as you guys can see, I'm obviously gonna be putting a jacket on this because it's freezing cold. What do you think?
I love it.
It's so cute. And we're gonna go watch the scary movie. It's gonna be so much fun. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. And I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye.